Now I request all my students to put their microphones on and give a big applause to our champion Nathan, who has just passed with zero errors.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Congratulations,
Congratulations,
Nathan.
Congratulations.
Dan, எப்படி பண்ண?
Brilliant.
நல்லா
Congratulations.
தான் பண்ண.
Congratulations.
Nathan.
Congratulations.
Okay.
Augurio.
Now, what a fish market. Now, where's Nathan? Here you are. Here you are, my champion. How are you feeling?
Yeah, I feel good. Yeah,
You see
it
how
was.
modest? I'm feeling good. You won a lottery. Zero errors, my dear. It's not a small thing. Good. That's it. Good is a minimum that you should feel. Anyway, tell me, Nathan. Just tell them the journey. Those people who also knew how you heard about me, when you started coming in the classes, how your progress has been, and especially the quiz we had done yesterday and this morning. All this played a role or not. Now the word is to you.
Okay.
Feel free to explain.
Yeah, well, actually, I came to know about this class through one of my friends. His name was Chandrasekhar. He passed under you, so he was like speaking highly about you. So I thought I will also try, and I joined the class. And in the first class itself, I was like, "Wow, this way of teaching is really good." So I think I might be able to pass the exam. So but then in the first weeks, I never practiced the mock test. But after the first week, I started practicing the mock test and I was able to get about 23, 24. So I started my preparations for the exam by myself. I did not go to any auto schooler. So that took quite a long time, but I had enough time for in order to practice the test as much as I want and do it without any errors apparently.
Hmm. So last evening, the quiz we did, and this morning, and the tips I gave you, you don't need to repeat it, but those were helpful to you. Do you think when you're facing the exams, when you're there on the scene, was that any help?
Yeah, sir, because usually when I do the mock test, I do it at maximum 5 to 10 minutes. I don't spend more time than that. But today morning, you were like, don't be in a haste. Even yesterday, you told me the same. So I was like, I couldn't control myself being fast. So what I did was I finished the exam fast, but then I went through the questions like 2 to 3 times, all the 30 questions. So, and I had doubts about on only two questions. So once I finished the exam, I did not wait there. I didn't know that I was supposed to wait there. So once I finished the exam, I told the invigilator who was there, I closed all my SCADA and then I went packed the bags and I went out. So, but those two questions I searched online for the answers and it was correct what I put. So, and at that time, I was like confident that I will be able to pass, but I never thought I will get 30 on 30.
Congratulations. You're a champion. I'm very, very happy. I think Raghuram is your friend, right? Raghu is
Yeah,
your friend. Because they're all happy behind that, I can imagine. And
yeah,
remind me, your language is Telugu or Tamil?
Tamil.
Tamil, okay.
Yeah,
All right. So I'm waiting for that video. Okay. And now remember one thing. You have the duty to tell all your friends about it. Feel free.
yeah,
You can give them
yeah.
all their numbers. Don't ask my permission. Give them my numbers.
Okay,
And you, now that I've delivered your promise of making you pass in the theory, when you need my help for the practical, call me 4 days before and I will help you. Okay.
sure, sure. Thank you,
Wish
sir.
you all the best. I'm very happy, very proud of you. Thanks a lot. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.